then Samarkand, Tashkent, Bukhara, all these places became the biggest Islamic propagation center where Islamic madrasas and schools were conducted. Alhamdulillah, in India also it was reached so many hundreds and thousands, tens of thousands of madrasas and schools, Islamic centers are running. Maybe some of you are from India or I don't know about it. I just came here for a few days program. We have Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi alayhi conference in Bolton and in Leicester this Ala Hazrat conference as well. So in Kerala we are the Markaz al-Thaqafat al-Sunniya, Jamia Markaz al-Thaqafat al-Sunniya was established in 1978. Now 65,000 students are studying in it. Alhamdulillah, now we developed a township with the largest masjid in India and Islamic colleges, medical college, engineering college, law college and so many Islamic institutions where thousands of apartments where the society is staying and the best treatment for any kind of diseases. Alhamdulillah, by the hands of blessed and Bismillah पढ़ के वो इलाज करते हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और आप लोगों से गुजारिश है आप markaz.in या मरकज़ सक़ाफ़त सुन्निया सुन्नी कल्चरल सेंटर या द मरकज़ नॉलेज सिटी किसी भी नाम से आप तलाश करें। कभी